I have an iPod, they work the same way. Here we are over at the Nisney compound. We are changing a clutch on a, what year is this? 1985 S10. Well, was an S10. And here's what we have to work with. Assorted items here. What? Well, ain't that about a bitch. Here's what we have to work with here. Pressure plate. You know, assorted parts. Throw out bearing. And our new friction plate. Now, we've got to show our viewers here what exactly the problem was and why this truck wasn't running right. Hello, Irv. And a big O. Todd's love machine, as he calls it. This is why the truck was not running well. Look at that distributor cap and tell me what is wrong. My God. Yeah, makes you wonder how many freaking cylinders was he missing on? Who knows? I don't know. Yeah. And here is Todd's assorted parts cars, and so on and so forth. Yeah. Do what?
So I'm going to hand you this here in a second.
Yeah, okay. As we wait for the part to
Oh, jeez.
appear from underneath the
Pry bar.
truck. Get a pry bar?
Yeah.